Now, the New York DEC issuing a new warning about a significant harmful algae bloom spreading in the Hudson River.
News 10's Vanessa Blasi speaking with a water quality scientist to find out what's causing the issue and why you should stay away.
You may have seen patches of green piling up along the shore of the Hudson River here, but a water scientist tells me that's not actually a good sign. He says that these patches are part of a growing, harmful algal bloom in the Hudson River.
As far as we know, this is probably the biggest one that we've seen on the Hudson River, at least kind of in living memory.
Julian Damashek is a water quality scientist with Riverkeeper. He says normally algae is harmless in the water.
Most of the time they're at such a small population size that even if they're making toxins, we would never notice.
But this one is rapidly growing in size, which is why they call it a bloom. Damashek says in this bloom, a common bacteria called cyanobacteria has formed a compound that can make humans and some animals sick.
We think dogs in particular, if they swim in water with these toxins, they'll then often get out, shake themselves off, and then kind of lick their fur clean or dry, and so they get a much higher dose than a human swimming in the water might.
Scientists have spotted the bloom from Poughkeepsie to Germantown.
We tell people that if it looks like spilled green paint, or if it looks kind of like thick pea soup, that usually means it's a very dense bloom.
And Damashek says it doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Scientists believe the ongoing drought may be a possible reason.
We essentially think we might have this sort of like warm bathtub of nutrient-rich water that's just staying in the river for longer than it normally would. And that might be a prime location and time for these algae to just take off and really grow.
As of now, they don't know of a way to treat it, but that's what their studies are for. Both the DEC and Riverkeeper are asking people not only not to swim in these waters, but to report something if they see it. We'll have where you can report on our website at news10.com. Reporting in Kingston, Vanessa Blasi, News 10, ABC.